Welcome back. Today we're going to demystify .NET, and I promise it's simpler than all the confusing documentation makes it seem. We'll cover what .NET really is, where it runs, what you can build, and what actually gets created when you compile. No assumptions, no skipped steps. Just clear explanations of everything you actually need to know. Okay, so here's what's happening. .NET is a complete platform for building software. Think of it as everything you need to create applications, all in one package. It includes a runtime that executes your code, thousands of pre-built libraries so you don't reinvent the wheel, and tools to build and deploy everything. Technically, you can use different languages with .NET, but C# is the main one, and honestly, it's a fantastic language to work with. Let's use an analogy. The .NET SDK is your toolbox, compiler, debugger, everything you need to build software. The base class libraries are your materials. Pre-built components for files, networking, data, you name it. Thousands of them. C# is your instruction language, how you tell .NET what you want to build. It's designed to be readable and maintainable. And your code is the blueprint in your unique design that uses all these pieces to solve your specific problem. Quick history, because the naming is confusing. .NET Framework came first in 2002, Windows only, still maintained, but consider it legacy. Then Microsoft rebuilt everything as .NET Core in 2016. This was huge. Suddenly .NET could run anywhere, not just Windows. From 2020, they unified everything and dropped Core. Now it's just .NET, followed by a version number. We're on .NET 8 now. Now here's something that surprises people who remember old .NET. Where can modern .NET actually run? Is it still Windows only? Let me show you why this matters for your career. It runs natively on all major desktop operating systems. Same code everywhere. Your entire team can use their preferred OS. Perfect for containers, Docker, Kubernetes, all the cloud-native tooling. This is how modern apps are deployed. Every major cloud platform has first-class .NET support. Deploy anywhere, no vendor lock-in. Even runs on ARM processors, Raspberry Pi, Apple Silicon, AWS Graviton. The future is multi-architecture. Web applications and REST APIs, this is huge. Stack Overflow runs on .NET, handling millions of developers daily. Desktop apps like Visual Studio and SQL Server Management Studio, full-featured professional applications, mobile apps with .NET MAUI, write once in C#, deploy to both iOS and Android. Share code across all platforms. Even games with Unity, IoT devices, machine learning models, the same C# skills apply everywhere. Let's talk scale. Stack Overflow handles 1.3 billion page views per month on just 9 web servers. That's .NET efficiency. Nasdaq's trading platform runs on .NET. Microsecond response times, absolute reliability, handling trillions in trades. UPS tracking system, millions of packages tracked globally in real time. .NET handles this massive scale daily. This is important. .NET is completely free. No licenses, no subscriptions, no enterprise edition to buy later. All the source code is on GitHub. You can read it, learn from it, even contribute. Complete transparency. No vendor lock-in. Use any editor, any cloud, any database. Your skills are portable and valuable everywhere. Let's demystify what actually gets built. When you compile a .NET application, you get several files. This structure will become very familiar. The EXE file is just a launcher in modern .NET. It starts the .NET runtime and points it to your DLL. Your actual compiled code lives in the DLL file. This is true even for console applications. Surprised me too when I learned it. Everything in .NET becomes an assembly, either EXE or DLL. Your code, libraries you reference, everything. More on this later. The job market for .NET developers is excellent. Thousands of positions, competitive salaries, remote opportunities. It's an enterprise standard. Fortune 500 companies run on .NET. These skills open doors to stable, well-paying positions. Modern .NET is cloud-native, container-ready, and constantly evolving. You're learning current technology, not legacy stuff. C# concepts transfer to other languages. Master .NET and jumping to Java or TypeScript becomes much easier. .NET is a complete platform, runtime, libraries, and tools. Everything you need to build professional software. It's truly cross-platform. Windows, Linux, Mac, containers. Your code runs everywhere that matters. You can build anything. Web, mobile, desktop, games. One skill set opens many doors, and it's free, open source with no vendor lock-in. Your investment in learning is completely yours. Next up, we'll set up your development environment, we'll install the SDK, explore the command line tools, and get VS Code ready. I'll explain why we do each step, not just how. See you there.